I leave Gambia since January on the 15th. Was that January the new year, like December on the 31st. That happened on Thursday when there was a coup attempt. So after that, so then it was failed. So after that, many people were saying rumors that they may form another crew to come. So that made me too afraid now to say that let me make this migration to leave Gambia. Yeah, I left Gambia. When I was going to Senegal, I passed through Jarasoma. I come to Farafenye Post. After then, I get into Kaulak. When I reach to Kaulak, that was on Sunday. No, I don't know anybody there. I just pay my money. When I reach there, I meet boss. I ask them Mali, so they tell me Mali. But by then I was having about $3,000. So that's the way I pay for Mali. I go to Mali. When I reach to Mali, that was Mali Bamako. We reach to Nyame. I was there with one boy. So that boy also he do go and make mason. He go and make mason, maybe concrete to mix it. So that's the way also the boy also I do go with him there. We go and make it, we make it. But the money I have, that one cannot take me to Akadis. So after I have little money, I ask the boy now if he can help me so that we can make it, we can make the same journey together. So the boy also he helped me. So we pay for the vehicle. We go to Akadis. Married to Akadis. After I call my mother to help me. So I explained to her that I'm in Akadis now. Let's see, help me now. There is no money, there is no help, and Akadis we cannot have their work. Many people are there, they don't have work as migrants. So then that's the way she also try money. She sent some money for me after I go to Libya. When I reach to Libya, I was staying in Gadron. I spent time there although. So but there in Gadron I don't used to get money much. So when I reach to Tripoli, after then that's the time I reach in Tripoli. The Ramadan, 2 days left for the Ramadan. Yeah, me I would like to tell them that it's not easy road. It's not an easy road. This road, if you say that you'll use this back way to come, it's not an easy road. Be frank enough, because it's full of patience and it's full of hardship. If you can agree with it, you can come. But me, I don't advise even my enemies to use this way. Yeah, now. No, if it is this, I know I will not come to this journey. But I thank God I have reached here, my destination. Yeah, when I reach here, I struggle to get to call my guys that they how to say now I'm in Rome. Now they heard about me that I'm in Italy. Yeah, I have hope I will arrive in Sweden with the help of God.